kid. So we're gonna be doing some slime. If you hope you like it, welcome back to one of my shows. We're gonna be doing some slime.
It's not even hard. It's the reason that it's bad, but you gotta make sure you keep on something that group. Man, you have people.
I'm gonna be doing my slime. So I'm gonna like just stretch it and pop it. It's kind of like a little sticky.
You do this.
You might hear some more noises because more people are doing more slime on a YouTube video. And don't forget to subscribe.
Make sure you like and
The first two people that subscribe to my channel, they're going to get the first 3 people that subscribe to my channel get a notification and get this shocking for World Vacation. So I really hope that my first 2 subscribers, don't forget on mine, that's water. That's slime. Yeah, but you got water hands.
I see this unit's morale is flat. There's only one solution to that. All of those who are my grandson, front and center, come here, you little demon.
Yeah. My auntie had a this that I made.
Oh,
Can I have this cup?
go bring that thing.
Oh.
What you just witnessed was a mutiny. Montana said it's unacceptable from this point forward.
I'm sorry that my phone keeps dropping. It's just my phone keeps dropping.
It's the last thing I do.
It's just my phone without the metallic, but my second place is going to get a Disney World play card. Who was my second subscriber? My first subscriber get the World Vacation shopping.
Driftwood Jamestown. They have expired with the sun's in their eyes.
We're back with another video. Hey guys! I'm just going on YouTube video. No! Come grab
I'm about to put this slime up in 5 more minutes.
Okay.
Yup, I'm about to put it up now.
My slime. Oh my god. My slime is so cute. Okay, hey guys, today we're going to be doing how to make your slime shake. First, we're going to need a cup. You're going to need some slime. You're going to need a slime in the top. So, okay, we have our slime. So you might want to get it. How is that? I get this one.
I love you again.
Sorry guys, I'm not doing this video today, so I hope you have liked our video, subscribe. Bye. Bye guys. Deuces. Bye. Oh my freaking god! Guys, look at this love. Baby J!
Well, what do you do?
He playing with slime. Help! Help! Just off me! I'm a freaking god. What's up, guys? Okay, David, look at in my head.
Put that slime up. Stop doing the drugs.
I'm getting it off my hand. Where my